In this video, I'm going to talk about the sun display function of the property tool. Sun display shows the property's position and the amount of sunlight it receives at different times. Right now, while I'm making this video, it's 2:12 p.m. If I click on the sun icon above the map, then I get to know the height of the sun, this time in April. If you want to know about another period, like November or December, when the sun appears lower in the sky, then, after setting the months, you can see that the property receives sunlight from this direction. For example, in December at 2 p.m., this southeastern property will get the most of the sunlight from this direction. You can find the months on the upper slider and the hours on the lower slider. If you use these sliders, you can see how the sun rises and sets. For example, at 8 in the morning, this room receives light from this side. As time goes by, the sun will shine from this side, and in the afternoon it will go down here. You can also check the sun display if you open the map and click on the sun icon. Now here you can see the property's position and you can observe from which direction it gets sunlight. Behind the sun's ray, there's a small shadow which grows if you change the time, especially if you set the months as well. You can see when the sun rises and sets, and also the exact time when a certain part of the property receives light. If you don't need the sun display function, you can switch it off. To do so, sign into your tour. In the settings, look for the miscellaneous menu. Then you can switch the function off with just one click. Save your settings, and after reload the function won't be available. Sun display is switched on by default, but you can switch it off anytime you want.